If you think the AI war is about who has the smartest model, you're already late, because the real war is about something far more dangerous. The moment AI stops answering and starts acting, not helping you, replacing steps, replacing decisions, replacing whole parts of your life, quietly. So today, we're not asking who will lead AI, we're asking, what exactly are they building that will run your life without you noticing?
Most people think the AI revolution is happening somewhere else, in headlines, in press releases, in model announcements. But the real shift isn't happening on your screen. It's happening in the systems quietly reorganizing your day. Not one big moment, not one dramatic announcement, but a series of small changes that slowly move decisions away from you, what you see, what you choose, what you act on. That's why the AI race feels confusing, because we're taught to look for breakthroughs while the real transformation happens through integration. And once these systems are fully in place, the question won't be who built the best AI, it will be when did it start deciding for me?
By the way, if you're trying to understand how AI is changing the way we work, we've built a full library of free prompts and tools, the same ones we use here at SmartAIDIGI.
If you've been thinking about starting something with AI, maybe a YouTube channel, a business, or just working smarter, you're not alone. At SmartAIDIGI, we create in-depth videos that make AI simple to understand and practical to use. Each episode explores real examples, smart workflows, and creative ways to apply AI in your daily work with no hype, just clarity and real value. And to help you get started, we've created a free AI starter kit with 224 prompts, 100 essential tools, and our complete master prompt guide. It's the easiest way to start your AI journey today. Grab your free resources at smartaidigi.com and subscribe to our channel. Join the creators who are learning to build smarter with AI.
Just click the link, enter your email, and the system will send everything to you automatically. No pressure, no commitment, no noise. Let's keep going. In this video, I'll show you the 4 building blocks that turn AI from a tool into a system. And by the end, you'll know one thing most people miss: which block changes everything the moment it becomes mainstream, and why that's the point where this race stops being hype and becomes reality. Here's the part most conversations skip. Lock-in doesn't feel like a cage, it feels like relief. When systems remember for you, when tools connect without friction, when decisions get easier instead of harder, your brain slowly lets go. Not because you're weak, but because humans are wired to reduce effort. And this is where dependency begins. Not when AI takes control, but when you stop noticing how much control you've already handed over. Think about it. When was the last time you memorized a phone number, planned a route without a map, made a decision without a recommendation layer guiding you? None of this happened overnight. It happened through convenience, and the companies building these ecosystems understand something deeply human. Once thinking becomes easier inside a system, leaving it starts to feel irrational. This isn't addiction, it's design.
Pillar number 1, the personalized AI layer. Just like we saw in the previous episode, the real shift isn't happening where people expect. The fight is no longer for the best model. It's for the AI that knows you best. OpenAI is pushing toward the AI companion, personal, adaptive, and deeply integrated into your routines. Google is embedding AI into every search, email, map, and document you touch. Meta is building a social layer where AI interacts for you. Anthropic is focusing on trust, safety, and reasoning, the responsible advisor. Each of these visions points to the same future, an AI that becomes your second mind. Whoever controls that layer controls the everyday choices of billions. And that's the first front in this war.
Pillar number 2, autonomous agents, the invisible workforce. This is where the war gets serious,
because it's no longer about chatbots, it's about agents that act without you. Agents that book your appointments, fix your documents, build your website, run your business workflows, make decisions before you even see them. OpenAI is building AI teams. Google is building AI-driven productivity environments. Meta wants agents embedded in social interactions. Anthropic is focusing on agent safety in long-term decision-making. This isn't just a tool, it's an automated workforce, the biggest shift in human productivity in 200 years. Today, it looks small. Tomorrow, it replaces 40% of the tasks we do. And this example becomes even more interesting when you see what happens next, which we'll explore in the following episode.
Pillar number 3 is not about control. It's about dependency. Not forcing you to stay, but making it easier not to leave. Every ecosystem is being designed so that once you're inside, everything just works a little better. Your tools connect, your data flows, your AI remembers. OpenAI doesn't need to trap you. It needs to become the place your thinking already lives. Google doesn't need to convince you. It needs to make leaving feel inefficient. Meta doesn't need ownership, it needs presence, everywhere conversations happen. Anthropic doesn't need scale, it needs trust at the moments where decisions matter. And this is where lock-in becomes invisible, not through restrictions, but through comfort.
And before we dive into one of the most important peak moments in this episode, pause for a second and ask yourself, how does all of this information feel to you? Because if something here touches the pressure you carry, the noise that builds up every day, or the sense of overwhelm created by this accelerating world, there's one thing you should know. You're not meant to handle this alone. In the description, you'll find a gift we created specifically for moments like this. The Faceless Creator Toolkit, completely free. And it's not just another folder of links. It's the system we use ourselves to create calmly, clearly, intelligently, even while the race around us never stops.
If you've been thinking about starting something with AI, maybe a YouTube channel, a business, or just working smarter, you're not alone. At SmartAIDIGI, we create in-depth videos that make AI simple to understand and practical to use. Each episode explores real examples, smart workflows, and creative ways to apply AI in your daily work with no hype, just clarity and real value. And to help you get started, we've created a free AI starter kit with 224 prompts, 100 essential tools, and our complete master prompt guide. It's the easiest way to start your AI journey today. Grab your free resources at smartaidigi.com and subscribe to our channel. Join the creators who are learning to build smarter with AI.
Just click the link, enter your email, and the system will send everything to you automatically. No pressure, no commitment, no noise. Let's keep going.
We are living through a moment humanity has never experienced before. For the first time, the tools shaping our daily reality are learning faster than the people using them. Every decision these companies make, every model update, every new capability reshapes the world that you will wake up in tomorrow. And each step in this journey changes what comes next, especially the part we still haven't uncovered. Up until now, everything we've described sounds efficient, logical, even helpful. Personalized AI, autonomous agents, seamless ecosystems. But here's the uncomfortable question no one likes asking. What happens when optimization replaces reflection? When decisions are made faster than you can question them? When convenience becomes the default filter for truth, priority, and attention? Because once AI becomes the layer between you and reality, between you and your work, your choices, your time, the risk is no longer technical, it's cognitive. The danger isn't that AI will think for you, it's that you'll slowly stop thinking against it. And this is why Pillar 4 matters more than everything before it. Because a life operating system doesn't just support life, it defines the rules by which life flows. Pillar number 4, the operating system of life. This is the end game. Not apps, not features, not tools. A life OS. A system where your calendar is intelligent, your home adjusts automatically, your work is partially automated, your shopping, learning, communication, and decisions all run through the same AI layer. This is why the companies are not releasing random updates. They're assembling the future, one invisible block at a time. And the first company to complete this Life OS wins the AI war. Not because they're the smartest, but because they will shape how billions of people live.
So the question isn't who wins. The question is, when these systems collide, what breaks first? Because the next chapter isn't about progress, it's about consequences. What happens when AI becomes the default layer between you and your life, your work, your choices, your attention? That's the next episode. And if this one shifted how you see the race, you're going to want the next one immediately.